say, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. But bye bye, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. Hey, hey, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. But bye bye, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. You see me coming in the dance with the flipper sensei. Down with the sound called BDP. If you want to join the crew, well, you must see me. You can't sound like Shan or the one Marley, because Shan and Marley Marlin, my rhyming like they picking up the mic, man, them don't know what to say. Saying hip hop started out in Queensbridge. Saying lots like that, man, you know them can't live. So tell them again, me come to tell them again. Quan. Tell them again, me come to tell them again. Tell them again, me come to tell them again. Quan. Tell them again, me come to tell them. Manhattan keeps on making it, Brooklyn keeps on taking it, Bronx keeps creating it, and Queens keeps on faking it. Oh, you sucker MC, won't you please come out to play? Cause here's an example of KRS-One's bow. Here's an example of KRS-One. They wish the battle beat the P, but they cannot. They must be on the jock of who? DJ Scott LaRock. Cause we don't complain, now do we play the game of favors? Boogie Down production come in 3 different flavors. Pick any tip for the flavor that you savor. Mr. Magic might wish to come and try to save ya, but instead of helping you out, he want the same thing I gave ya. I finally figured it out. Magic mouth that you Roxanne Shante is only good for steady. MC Shannon Marley Marl is really only bluffing. Like Dougie Fresh said, I tell you now you ain't nothing compared to Red Alert on Kiss and Boogie Down production. Say ease and I'm on, I miss say ease and I'm on. Say KRS-One, you know them can't understand. Been moving over there and then been moving over here. The name of this routine is called Live at Union Square. Square, square, square. Ooh, what's the matter with your MC Marley Marl? Don't you know that he's out of touch? What's the matter with your DJ MC Shan? On the wheels of steel Marlin sucks. You better change what comes out your speaker. You're better off talking about your whack Puma sneaker. Bronx created hip hop, Queens will only get dropped. You're still telling lies to me. Everybody's talking about the Juice Crew funny, but you're still telling lies to me.
Is it? That's it. No more battling. You've been taken out. Boogie Down Production. Slaying in 87. Yes. I did give a super shout out to D Nice, Melody, MC Boo, ICU, Scholar Rock Jr., Ultramagnetic, Eric B, Dear Tima, Rakim. Peace.